In this video, we're going to show you how to install taillights on your Toyota Tundra located at the rear of the vehicle. With the tailgate down, we're going to go ahead and access the two T30 Torx bit screws. There's one here at the bottom. I'm going to loosen and remove this. And there's one at the top. Now the tail light itself has two pins that go inward on the side of the tail light, so we need to pull the tail light away from the body. Now I'm going to use a plastic trim tool here. I'm going to gently pry outward, dislodging the pins. Now on the back side, we have these series of lights. We're going to twist these counterclockwise. At this point here, you can hold the connector and grab your bulbs and gently wiggle them out. Do this for all three. Now our new LED taillights have a resistor with a little sticky backing pad on it. I'm going to use some spray solvent. I'm going to clean a section. Now you can stick this anywhere inside the taillight pocket itself, but I found a nice flat section right here that won't interfere with the operation or the placement of the taillight. Now on the back side of our taillight assembly, it has these connectors. The harness itself resembles the back end of our bulb, so we simply need to insert that, press it in, and then insert this into the taillight and twist it in. Going to repeat this process for the other ones here. Now that we have all those plugged in, we have our resistor here for a conversion. There's a little red protective tape on here. I'm going to peel it off, exposing the sticky back. You can stick this on the inside of the body here. And with that in place, we're now going to insert the two metal studs, top and bottom, into the plastic push pins. Press those in. Now we can get and install our two screws on the inside. Go ahead and get your screws started. Just gently snug these down. Now you want to go ahead and repeat this process for the driver's side. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.